Hey there, today I'll show you how to fix Uber Eats ID verification. Just follow the steps. At Uber, safety is a top priority. They require users of certain products to verify their accounts or identities to enhance user safety and help prevent unauthorized account access. They may ask you to submit a document or take a selfie even if you already have a verification badge or have already submitted an ID. You can learn more on their verified account badge page. In some countries, riders provide their ID number or a photo of their identification card. Uber verification the ID and checks that no other account is associated with the document. In other countries, riders can take a selfie for account verification. The selfies are kept secure, never shared with your driver, and deleted after a set period. If they cannot verify your account or identity, you may be unable to use certain Uber features like trip request, item deliveries, or cash payments. In some cases, Uber uses third parties for account verification. Those third parties are contractually prohibited from using your information for any purpose other than identity verification. They also can retain your documents or information beyond what is necessary to perform their services on Uber behalf. Some Uber services and features require sharing personal data with other users, or at a user's request. For example, you must share their first name and pickup, drop-off, or delivery locations with drivers or delivery people. They also may confirm with them that you have completed an account or identity verification processes. Uber does not otherwise share your information with drivers and delivery. Uber is committed to keeping your personal data safe. They encrypt and secure all personal data submitted to verification, retaining it only as long as necessary and in accordance with your privacy and notice and applicable laws. If you have a problem verifying your identity or think your systems have made a mistake, please contact Uber support. You can also visit their can request a right help page if you are still having difficulty making request other identity verification. Thank you for watching.